So once you log in, you will get this screen. At the top you can see Zillion Byte GDS, that's the name of the company. Software beta testing, that's your job role. And logged in as, so that's your phone number, the name of the device, and referrer is L0, that's the company. Okay, so click to claim your task. You need to click on the green button and you need to start working on it. You can see your current score is 0%, is 0. Never ever click reset all data, that is highly dangerous. It will delete all your current scores and there is no way to retrieve it. So click on claim your daily task. I clicked on it. So I got this page. Okay, so click on this pop-up or like the ad. We need to, our job is to test all the ads are working fine or not. Okay, so once we click on this, yeah, it's opening, so it's working. We'll get back to the previous page. Again we got an ad, we need to check it's working or not. It's opening, yeah, it's working. So now we need to scroll down, go scroll down and check if there is any ad or not. Okay, make sure that you click on this I'm not robot, this is mandatory, and wait until and unless it completes. Make sure that you click on all the links and all the ads to make sure it's working. Thereafter you click on continue to step 2. Okay, this is step 2 and you need to check if there is any ad or not. So scroll down. Okay, again I'm not robot. So it's loading. Okay, now click on get link. It is generating the report. Okay, come here, wait, software beta testing, job, Zillion Byte GDS. Again click on get link, it will generate the report. It may open a web page like this, just check it, everything is okay, everything is getting displayed fine. Okay, and you just close it and you will find the report will get generated. Test completed, test started, test ended, and your score and everything will come up. So move to the next task or the next testing. So take new test. You will be here and you need to carry on, and you can see the scores here and your percentage here. Thank you.